Hello friends, my name is Prajakta Yadav, a student of Britsung Training Center. Today I am going to talk about a technical topic about body cavities. So let's start with the topic. Body cavities are internal spaces within the body that house and protect vital organs. They play essential roles in organization, protection, and function of the body system. Here's an overview of the major body cavities. Dorsal cavity. The dorsal cavity is located along the back of the body and is subdivided into two main parts. Cranial cavity. This cavity houses the brain and is protected by the skull and contains cerebrospinal fluid that cushions the brain, providing a stable environment. Vertebral cavity, also known as spinal cavity. This cavity surrounds the spinal cord and is formed by the vertebrae. Like the cranial cavity, it also contains cerebrospinal fluid, which helps protecting the spinal cord from the injury. Ventral cavity. Ventral cavity is larger than the dorsal cavity and is located at the front of the body. It is divided into two main sections. Thoracic cavity. This is further divided into pleural cavity, two cavities surrounding each lung containing pleural fluid that reduces friction during breathing. Pericardial cavity. This cavity surrounds the heart and contains pericardial fluid, allowing for smooth heart movement. Mediastinum, the central region of the thoracic cavity that separates the lungs and contains the heart, trachea, esophagus, and other structures. Abdominopelvic cavity. This cavity is divided into the abdominal and pelvic cavities. Abdominal cavity contains digestive organs such as the stomach, liver, intestines, and kidneys. It is lined by the peritoneum, a protective membrane that also helps anchor organs. Pelvic cavity houses the bladder, reproductive organs, and rectum. The pelvic cavity is somewhat smaller and more enclosed than the abdominal cavity. Other cavities. Oral cavity contains the mouth and is involved in digestion and speech. Nasal cavity located within the nose. It is involved in respiration and olfaction, that is sense of smell. Sinuses, air-filled spaces within the skull that reduce its weight and affect voice quality. Middle ear cavity contains the ossicles, that is small bones that transmit sound vibrations from the eardrum to the inner ear. Functions of the body cavities. Protection. Cavities provide a protective environment for delicate organs, shielding them from physical damage. Organization. They compartmentalize the body, allowing for more efficient organization of organs and systems. Facilitation of movement. Fluid within cavities like pleural or pericardial fluid allows for smooth movement of organs such as the expansion of lungs and contraction of the heart. Homeostasis. Cavities play a role in maintaining a stable internal environment, crucial for optimal functions of organs. Understanding body cavities is vital in anatomy and physiology, as they are essential for protecting organs and facilitating various bodily functions. Their structure and arrangement significantly influence the overall operations of the body system, underscoring their importance in health and disease. Today we discussed about body cavities. Thank you for listening.